जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 3rd chapter कर्मयोगम 40th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा teaching निष्काम कर्मा to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Arjuna, the desire, kamam, the lust stays, lives in your jnanendriyas, senses, in your mind and in your intelligence." That means your jnanendriyas, your manas and your buddhi are the sitting places of this desire, kamam. For Arjuna, from there this kamam covers your knowledge and distracts you from getting Atma Jnanam, and this kamam completely captivates you and makes you go behind all kind of mundane pleasures and mundane desires. Like that, kamam destroys you. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma teaching us to be aware of this, the very dangerous effect of the kamam. Having Krishna Paramatma's teaching running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Indriyani mano buddhihi asya adhishthanam vuchyate etaihi vimohayatyeshaha jnanam avrutya dehinam. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Sri Krishna Paramatma says, "Always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my teachings, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings by reading at least one Gita sloka every day. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading your teachings, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. करिष्ये वचनं तव. श्रीमद्भागवतं. नमस्कारं टु श्रीमद्भागवतं. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुकमहर्षि. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु श्रीमन्नारायण, चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा, सरस्वती देवी, व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं मुदीरयेत्. In Srimad-Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Parikshit Narendra is asking Sri Suka Yogindra, "Ho Yogindra, please explain me how Sriman Narayana performing these three activities, Srishtikaryam, Sthitikaryam and Layakaryam, Nunam Bhagavato Brahman Harehe Adbhuta Karmanaha." O Yogindra, Paramatma's divine and miraculous activities are so wonderful, unimaginable. Even great scholars also cannot understand Paramatma's activities. O Yogindra, Paramatma himself being present in Brahma and Rudra, and also Paramatma himself doing all this entire execution of creation. O Yogindra, Paramatma came down in many incarnations, many avataras, and doing many activities. I would like to know, when Paramatma comes down in those different forms, are these Sattvagunam, Rajogunam, Tamogunam going to be associated with Paramatma also? Can you please tell me about that? O Yogindra, Paramatma does protects, takes care of this entire Srishti. Is he doing by himself, or is he being existing as an Antaryami in one of the souls and taking care of that? How he is doing? O Yogindra, Paramatma at some point, he is withdrawing this entire Srishti, Layakaryam. Does he do this Layakaryam by himself, or does he being present in one of the souls and takes care of this Layakaryam as an Antaryami? Tapasottama తెలుపవే వేడ్క నాకు సర్వవేదివీవు. O Yogindra, I realize that you are all known, you are great scholar, you are enlightened person. That is why please tell me about the entire Srishtikaryam, how Paramatma is performing. Like this, Parikshit Narendra asking Sri Suka Yogindra. Then Sri Suka Yogindra, now he is about to start Sriman Narayana's Divya Gunak Sankirtanam. That means chanting the glory of Paramatma, singing the glory of Paramatma. Just before he is about to start, Sri Suka Yogindra meditating upon Hrishikesha, Parudai, ఈశ్వరుడై మహామహిముడై ప్రాదుర్భవస్థాన సంహరణ క్రీడనుడై త్రిశక్తియుతుడై అంతర్గత జ్యోతియై హరికిన్ తత్వార్థినై మ్రొక్కెదన్. Sri Sukha Yogindra doing namaskaram to Hrishikesa, which is the form of Srimannarayana. Namah Parasmai Purushaya Bhuyase. He is praising Srimannarayana before he starts disclosing about the divine miraculous activities to Parikshit Narendra. He is doing namaskaram to such Purushottama, Parama Purusha, who is existing, who is present, who is pervaded all over internally and externally. Sat Udbhava Sthana Nirodha Leelaya. Now Sri Sukha Yogindra doing namaskaram to Paramapurusha, who is present in a soul called Hiranyagarbha and does this entire Srishti Karyam. Sri Sukha Yogindra doing namaskaram to Paramapurusha, who is present in other soul called Sankara and takes care of Layakaryam. Sri Sukha Yogindra doing namaskaram to Paramapurusha, who is by himself as a name of, in the name of Vishnu, takes care of the Rakshana Karyam. Now Sri Sukha Yogindra doing namaskaram to the one who takes care of Srishti Sthiti Laya. Sri Sukha Yogindra, before he starts discoursing to Parikshit Narendra, he is doing namaskaram to Paramapurusha, Purushottama Srimannarayana, who does many activities at once. Afterwards, what happens? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Madraksham Kshina Punyan Kshanamapi Bhavato Bhaktihinan Padabje Masrausham Shravyabandham Tava Charitam Apasya Anyadakhyana Jatam Masmarsham Madhava Tvamapi Bhuvanapate Chetasa Pakhnuvanan Ma Bhuvam Tvatsaparyavyatikararahito Janma Janmantarepi Krishno Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham Krishnena Marashitravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 3rd chapter, 40th sloka. Indriyani Mano Buddhihi Asya Adhishtanam Vuchyate Etaihi Vimohayatyeshaha Jnanam Avrutya Dehinam. Indriyani Mano Buddhihi Asyadhisthanamuchyate Etair Vimohayatyeshaha Jnanamavrutya Dehinam. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.